मैं हमेशा देश के लिए लड़ा हूँ, मेरा तन मन धन देश के लिए।
Arvind Kejriwal will not be placed under arrest. Earlier it was said that a team of enforcement directorate is coming to arrest him.
मेरी एक एक सांस देश के लिए, मेरी खून की एक एक बूंद देश के लिए, मेरे शरीर का एक एक कतरा देश के लिए समर्पित।
Fourth summon will be issued to Arvind Kejriwal. Arvind Kejriwal just did a virtual press conference and has leveled serious allegation on BJP. It is the tactic of BJP to stop him from doing the canvassing.
आज हम बीजेपी का मुकाबला क्यों कर पा रहे हैं? क्योंकि हमने कोई भ्रष्टाचार नहीं किया। अगर हमने जरा सा भी गलत काम किया होता तो दूसरे भ्रष्टाचारी नेताओं की तरह आज भी हम बीजेपी में शामिल हो चुके।
Currently, we are reporting from outside of Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal house. Earlier, it was said that a team of enforcement directorate is coming to arrest him. But now, the top sources have confirmed the New Indian that Arvind Kejriwal will not be placed under arrest. I spoke to the top officers, and they have confirmed that a fourth summon will be issued to Arvind Kejriwal, and they will ask him to join the investigation in connection with the Delhi excise policy scam. Earlier, it was also said that a number of security personnel have been deployed outside his house, and his staff were not allowed to go inside. But now the situation has been cleared by the Delhi police that everybody has been allowed to go inside, and this is Arvind Kejriwal house. You can see the security personnel, but they are not the extra security personnel. And now what we are getting to know that at 12 p.m. Arvind Kejriwal will be holding a press conference and he will answer to the media queries.
आज हम बीजेपी का मुकाबला क्यों कर पा रहे हैं? क्योंकि हमने कोई भ्रष्टाचार नहीं किया। अगर हमने जरा सा भी गलत काम किया होता तो दूसरे भ्रष्टाचारी नेताओं की तरह आज भी हम बीजेपी में शामिल हो चुके आज तो होते आज तक। इस तरह देश के ईमानदार नेताओं को जेल में डाल के और भ्रष्टाचारियों को अपनी पार्टी में शामिल करवा के ऐसे तो देश आगे नहीं बढ़ सकता। ये क्या चल रहा है? ये जो कुछ भी चल रहा है बहुत खतरनाक है। ये हमारे जनतंत्र के लिए बहुत गलत है। इसे रोकना होगा। मैं हमेशा देश के लिए लड़ा हूँ, मेरा तन मन धन देश के लिए, मेरी एक एक सांस देश के लिए, मेरी खून की एक एक बूंद देश के लिए, मेरे शरीर का एक एक कतरा देश के लिए समर्पित है। हमें मिलके देश को बचाना है। मैं पूरी जी जान से इनके खिलाफ लड़ रहा हूँ। आपका साथ
Continuously saying that it is BJP who is handling the enforcement directorate, and the summons are being issued by the BJP, not by the enforcement directorate. As of now, it was the third summon which was sent to Arvind Kejriwal, and Arvind Kejriwal did not join the investigation. Last time when Arvind Kejriwal joined the investigation in connection with Delhi liquor scam, it was the CBI which recorded his statement, and Arvind Kejriwal himself is saying again that when CBI summoned him, he did join the probe because he thought that the summon is legal. But now he's saying that this is not a legal summon and he will not join the probe. And also he's saying that first he took the legal opinion before calling it an illegal summon. And now what the ED can do, ED can approach the court and can seek the court direction to ask him to join the investigation. With video journalist Amit, this is Atul Krishan reporting for The New Indian.